How to fix Twitter or X app not loading images and videos. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Twitter or X app not loading images and videos on your device. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to firstly assure that you have the updated version of Twitter app on your device, so you can simply confirm it by opening the Google Play Store or App Store from your source for the Twitter. And now from here you can easily confirm that if any updates are available for this app, so simply you can update it from here. And now after you're done from here, you'll have to just back from here and open the app info of Twitter. So for that you will have to open the app info of Twitter, so hold the app X. And now from this pop-up section you'll have to go the option eye icon just at the top right corner of that section, so simply tap on that. Alright, so from the app info of Twitter or X app, you'll have to go the option notifications. So simply tap on it. And now from here, make sure that you have allowed this notification to Twitter app. So simply after you're done from here, back from here. And now for the permission section, you'll have to grant all of the permissions to this Twitter app. So like you have to allow the camera, contact, files and media, location, microphone, nearby device and phone. So you have to grant all of the permission for this app. Alright, so after you done this, you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like storage. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to tap on this clear data option just at the bottom left corner. Simply tap on OK. Alright, so after you done this from here, you'll be able to fix that problem like your Twitter app or X app not loading images and videos on your device. So this is the easiest and simplest process. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.